Hi, how are you children? I hope everyone are fine. Now coming to the point. So today in this video, we are going to see social revision assignment on two chapters. One is motions of the earth and the second one is maps. So which is related to your class 6th. Then while children, let's start our assignment. So let's take the first chapter here, motions of the earth. Read the following statements and state whether it is true or false. Yeah, true or false statements. Let us see the first question, children. Axis of the earth is an imaginary line about which the earth rotates. Yes, already we know this, children, right? See here. For example, you take here. See, children, here. So this is earth, right? So one imaginary line which is called axis. So here the earth rotate like this. Yes or no, children? See here. The earth rotate on its own axis. See, this is axis, right? So it is an imaginary line, right? So what they are asking, see here, axis of the earth means this axis of the earth is an imaginary line about which the earth rotates. So that is true statement. Right now, children? So the answer is what? True it is. Okay. Now let's take second question, children, here. Earth take exactly 365 days to revolve around the sun. Is it correct, children? No. False it is. So how many days it will take? 365, 1/4 day. Okay. So that is why it is false statement. Now let's take, children, third question here. When there is a summer in the northern hemisphere, it is spring in the southern hemisphere? No, obviously it is wrong. So that is false statement. So the answer is false. Now let's take second Roman, children. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A leap year has dash number of days. Leap year means what, children? In February we will get 29 days. So that is what here? Total 366 days will come. So every 4 years once leap year will come, right? So 1/4 day, if you add half day. Again 2 more years, half. That means total 4 years once 1 day will extra come. So that we add, if you add that 365, we'll get 366 number of days in a leap year. Next, the daily motion of the earth is rotation. Yes. So daily motion means what? First motion is what? Rotation. Second one is revolution, right? So that is what your answer, rotation. Next, the earth travels around the sun in a elliptical path. That means, if you see here, for example, if this is sun, so the earth, see here, the earth rotate, see, moving around the sun in a fixed path. So this is called as elliptical path. Okay, children? So fill in the blanks over. Now coming to the third Roman, chooses. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as dash. So three options are given: rotation, revolution, inclination. Yeah, just now we saw in the diagram. So the earth moving around the sun, it is called as what? Which motion? It is revolution. So that is what B answer here. Okay, children? So answer is B. Answer is B. Next, eighth question. Cycle of the seasons is caused due to dash. Rotation, revolution, gravitation. Yeah. Why children? Why seasons will occur? Because of revolutions, right? So the answer is B, revolution. Next, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator on which day? Here they given 21st March, 21st June, 22nd December. So the answer is 21st March. Okay. So these are the choices here, children. Now let's move on to the fourth Roman. Short question answers. Let us see the 10th question here. What is a leap year? Yeah, just now we discussed, right? So generally, so that it will take to moving around the sun 365, 1/4 day. So 4 years once So leap year will come, children. So at that time in February we will get 29 days. So 1/4 and 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Total 4 1/4 if you add, how much will get? 1 day, 24 hours. So that is how in February month we will get 29 days. So that is called as leap year. Next, take 11th question, children. Define rotation and revolution. A rotation means what? Earth rotates on its own axis. Revolution means Earth moving around the sun. It is called as revolution. Okay? If you want to know, let us see here. See, for example, if Earth is rotating like this. See here. If Earth rotates on its own axis, it is called as rotation. Right? Then what about revolution? Revolution means, see, here is sun and here is Earth. So the Earth moving around the sun in a fixed path. So this is called as a revolution. Right, children? So that is what? Rotation and revolution. Now let's take 12th question, children. What is an equinox? Equinox means, children, so the position of the Earth where the sun rays fall directly on the equator. You know the equator, see here. For example, if this is the Earth, so this is the equator, right? So the sun rays directly fall here on the equator. So this point is known as, or this position is known as equinox. Okay, children? So that is what answer here. See, the position of Earth where sun rays directly fall on the equator. At this position, neither poles are tilted towards the sun. As a result, entire Earth has equal days and equal nights. So generally, days and nights, some time gap will come. But whereas by the time of equinox, both days and nights equally should come. So these are the 12 questions related to motions of the Earth. Now we are moving to the another chapter, that is maps. Let us see the first here. Read the following statements whether it is true or false. So first question, directions is not components of map. Is it correct, children? No. Direction is a component of map. So that's why it is a wrong answer. That means that is false. Next, 14th question. A physical map shows natural features of the Earth. Yes. So it is true. Next, 15th question. A globe is used to study the Earth as a whole. Yes, globe means what? A study of Earth, right? So it is what called as true here. Next, coming to the second Roman, 16th question. A dash is used to show large areas like continents or countries on a paper. So the answer is small scale. Next, 17th question, children. Maps have dash language that can be understood by all. That is universal language. If you take any map, so anybody can understand. That is what universal. Next, 18th question, children. In a sketch, match is not needed. Means here not match, children. It is a map. In sketch map, dash is not needed. Means scale is not needed. Sketch means what? Just a drawing. Like roughly we are drawing the map. So at that time no need scale here. Next, coming to the choose this. Third Roman. Map showing distribution of forest or. So here three options are given. One is physical map, thematic map, political map. Showing distribution of forest. Forest means related one topic, one theme they are showing, right? So that time it is called as thematic maps. So B answer. Next, the blue color is used for showing what? Water bodies, mountains, plains. Yes, obviously we know this. That is water bodies. A. Next, 21st question, children. A compass is used to what? For what? Option show A is show symbols. B find and maintain the directions. C is measure the distance. The answer is what, children? Yeah, B, that is find the main directions. So which directions? Like north, south or east, west. To find the directions, we'll use the compass. Okay, children. Now let's move on to the short question answers, one or two sentences. 22nd question we'll take first. See here. What are the three components of a map? So yeah, obviously we know this. That is directions, distance and symbol are the three components of the map. Next, 23rd question. What do you mean by term the scale of the map? The scale of the map defined means what, children? It is a ratio between the distance on the land and distance on the actual map. So that is called as scale. Next, coming to the 24th question. Which map provides detailed information? So the large scale maps provide detailed information as they drawn huge sizes so on paper, not like a A4 and small maps. So that's why large scale maps will provide detailed information because it's looking like big size. Okay children. So these are total 24 questions we completed in this assignment from two chapters. One is motions of the earth and second one is maps. I hope you are very clear with this answer children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Now signing off.